a totally random idea. I am going to use dominoes to make a quick doll garden, inspired by Earth Day. My family loves to play dominoes. It is great for math skills. Even though we're going to use this for a craft, I want to still be able to use them for family game night. So we're just going to make a few minor changes. This is a full set of dominoes, and I have 4 wooden racks that are used to hold the dominoes. And these could use a little paint. Using acrylic paint, paint the wooden racks brown. Repeat for the other racks and allow them to dry. It's been a few minutes and now they are good to go. To make our garden, take the dominoes and flip them over. Use them to make a path, placing the wooden racks on the sides. They kind of look like pavers. Take some artificial plants and place them into the racks. So it looks like we're planting a garden. I'm not gluing anything into place, I'm just setting them right between the lines. That way, all we have to do is remove them if we want to use the rack. I'm adding some taller plants in the back, then a few flowers in the middle. For some of my plants, I'm having a difficult time getting them to stay in place. So I cut a thin strip of felt, wrap it around the base of the plant, place the felt between the lines, and now my plant will stay. It's acting like soil, so we can make a beautiful spring garden for our dolls to walk through. This is so perfect for spring. And since the flowers are not glued down, our dolls can pick them to make a beautiful spring bouquet. Thank you for joining us while we made our domino garden. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Blog.
And you're done. Happy crafting!
Want to give a shout out to Megan Crossan. What's up? My flowers are looking mighty nice. I'm gonna take a little break from all this gardening and watch my shows.
Do you think Grandma will make us some muffins? We don't have time for muffins because we need to continue the search for the red gumball. Dun dun dun! Will you cut that out? What did I tell you about doing that? It adds suspense.